Is Instagram dead for artists? Well, let's see what 𝐅𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿, the 3D and VFX artist from Lyon in France, think of this.
Hi, my name is 𝐅𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿, and it's a pleasure to be here. Hello and welcome. So we're gonna talk about how to be successful on social media as a VFX artist. And I think it's based on many aspects of your career. It's based on the business and the artistic aspect. I want to be focused on the artistic aspect because as a VFX artist and as an artist, basically, you really need first to be focused on your craft, to be focused on your art and mainly on it. I know that social media and especially the algorithm and everything that happens on social media guide you and take you to doing something different, something vertically, shortly, impactful, but at the same time you have to trust your intuition, to trust why you started doing art, the reason, the genesis. So I just want to be a reminder that it's not the algorithm who determines who is successful or not. I know that you just focus your mind on the numbers, the repost, the share, and how many messages you receive, but it's not only that. It's not easy, but keep your mind clear about the reality. Social media is not reality. It's just a way of sharing your art. But obviously, you want your art to match with the platform where you share your content. To do it, you have many ways. I mean, you will be in front of so many choices during the creative process. You don't have to go against that, but to go with that. So try to identify the things you can change without changing your art, the soul of the art. And there is another aspect of social media is how many videos you share. For example, I'm literally posting one video every month and sometimes it's less. And I know that everyone is telling me you should post more, you should create more, and you should just accept the work that is not finished on my head to share it, but I don't want to. I don't want to match with this because I really believe that my art can be appreciated when it's finished, but finished for me. So don't rush yourself. Take your time, be patient, and focus on the artistic aspect. And sometimes the business can come with, but don't add expectation. Without expectation, you're never disappointed. I know sometimes you can be very lost. You don't know what to create, you don't have any ideas, or you just overflow with everything you see on social media. Reels, TikTok, there is so much that our brain is seeing and experiencing so many things through social media. So obviously you can be very lost. In front of that, my only advice I can say is go back to your roots. Go back where everything started for you. And you will find again the reason why you started and inspiration. That was 𝐅𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿. Thank you.
Thanks 𝐅𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿 for all the tips and tricks.
That was a pleasure.
And also remember that sometimes the algorithm is not going to predict you if you need to be happy or not. So you remember to create because you love to do it. You can diversify yourself or your community by being on other platforms such as TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, or many others. Twitter is also really strong when you're trying to really build a community based on exchange, and Instagram is more based on visual content. All those social media platforms have this advantage, but also come with disadvantage, such as distraction, losing focus, losing motivation, and many other issues that you can find as an artist. Something that really helped me is the application called 1sec. It's not sponsored, but basically what the app does, it makes a timer between the moment you press the application you want to join, for example, Instagram, and the moment that you are in the application. That way you can remove easily the bad habits of constantly trying to check what's going on there. And just with this application and a little bit of discipline on my side, I avoid being on my phone like 6 hours a day, and now I'm around 2 hours, which only consists of answering WhatsApp message. And if you're thinking of being an artist full-time and make it as a living, I definitely recommend you to check this video right here.